Recap of season 1 and season 2. Till now, you all watched how Min Yoongi, who is super cold and strict university professor, forced to marry with Park Jimin, a super innocent boy. Yoongi treated Jimin like a kid because he was very young and innocent for this cruel world. They both are totally opposite of each other. Yoongi had a serious anger issue because of that everyone is scared from him. But after Jimin's arrival in his life turned 360-degree, Yoongi started behaving soft towards him. Soon Jimin made his special place in Yoongi's heartless heart. Yoongi turns totally soft towards Jimin. Yoongi took Jimin to visit his grandparents' house, from where their relationship took a new turn. Jimin solved the misunderstandings between Yoongi and his parents and again reunited them. Jimin came closer to each other. Yoongi realized his feelings towards Jimin. He celebrated Jimin's 21st birthday as special and grand as he can. He tried to give Jimin all the happiness. If you are new and wanna watch the story from the starting, then link of season 1 and 2 in pinned comment. I hope you all like it. Arthur's point of view, Yunmin enjoyed a lot with their parents and grandparents. They both brought a photo album for their parents so that now they can also re-enjoy all those moments which they missed in past. They even called a photographer too and clicked lots of pics. Everyone was so happy. Yunmin were on cloud 9 because they got lots of happiness which they didn't even expected. They all enjoyed their family time. Now it's the time to Yunmin and their parents' departure. Jimin was a little bit sad to leave his grandparents. He doesn't want to leave them, but he has to go. He can't live with them here. But he promised to them to meet them as soon as possible. Yunmin gave each other a special gift. What? You will know soon. Let's see what happens next. Time skipped at the airport. Right now, Yunmin and their parents were at the airport and waiting for their flights. Jimin went somewhere with Mr. Min and Yoongi was waiting for them in waiting area with Mrs. Min. They both were talking. Mrs. Min, so when will you go back to your home? Yoongi, I guess within 1 or 2 weeks. Mrs. Min, oh okay. When will your university restart? Yoongi, in 20 days, I want Jimin will explore the world and enjoy as much as he wants because once he joins university, he can't be able to go on any trip because of too much syllabus. He needs to study hard. Mrs. Min, I can understand, but don't go harsh on him. He's too delicate. Yoongi, I can't promise Oma. If he will cooperate with me, then he will be happy. I won't show any mercy when it comes on his study on health. Mrs. Min, but he's still a baby. Yoongi, yeah, I know, and I will definitely take care of him. By the way, where did he go with Appa? Mrs. Min, don't know, maybe he wants something. Yoongi, he only wants one thing, and that is food. I'm sure he went to buy something to eat. Mrs. Min, then that's good now, he should eat. Yoongi, yeah, he should eat, but he only wanna eat junk food. I don't understand, where does all the food go? Mrs. Min, it's okay Yoongi, let him enjoy. By the way, when will you two come to our home? Yoongi, don't know Ma, but yeah, you both can come to our home whenever you want. Mrs. Min, of course we will come, after all now we got your permission too. Yoongi, oh Ma, are you still angry on that? I'm really sorry. Mrs. Min, no son, I'm not angry. You did nothing wrong. At that time you didn't know the truth. Don't be sorry. It's all happened in past. I'm so happy that now we got our son back. Yoongi, I'm also so happy to get my parents back. Jimin happily came there while jumping and shouting. Jimin shouts, "Oh ma!" Yoongi mumbles, "Here's our loudspeaker came." Mrs. Min, "Jimmy, baby, don't shout. We are at airport. See, everyone is looking at you." Jimin looked here and there. "Why are they looking at me?" Yoongi, "If you shout like this, then it's obvious everyone looked at you like this." Jimin, now can't an innocent kid talk? Yoongi, innocent kid can talk, but shouldn't we become loudspeaker? Jimin, when did I behave like loudspeaker? I was talking normally. Yoongi, yeah, how can I forget that you were born with loudspeaker? Jimin looked at Mrs. Min. Oh ma, see, he is calling me loudspeaker. Mrs. Min, Yoongi, don't be mean. He is my cute little baby. Yoongi, yeah, only I know how much cute and little baby he is. By the way, what's this? Jimin, can't you see it's an ice cream? Said while licking the ice cream. Yoongi, I can see that, but why did you bring this much big ice cream? Jimin, I was confused between chocolate and vanilla, so I told him to give me both in one cone. Now I can enjoy two flavors at the same time. Yoongi, you only think about food now. Jimin, food is life now. Yoongi, I wonder where did all the food go? Jimin patted his tummy. Here. Yoongi, I think here is a black hole. Jimin, don't say anything about my food. I didn't buy it by your money. Yoongi, then by whose money you brought this? Yours, which you stole from my wallet. Jimin, I never stole any money from your wallet. Appa brought me this. Yoongi looked at Mr. Min. Appa, you shouldn't brought him this. Jimin, wait, you are the biggest enemy of my food. Yoongi, shut up. Jimin, you shut up. Why would I shut up? I can speak as much as I want. It's my birthright. You can't stop me. Yoongi, you are speaking too much nowadays. Don't worry, very soon I will tame you. Here we go again. They both again started bickering without caring about anything. They will never gonna change. Mrs. Min, silence. Time out, please. You both started bickering here too. Didn't you two know that it's airport, not your home? Now stop bickering. Jimin, oh ma, it's Jun's fault. He started first. Scold him. I'm all innocent like always. Yoongi, mimic him. I'm all innocent like always. You aren't an innocent. You are the greatest liar. There isn't any far relationship between you and innocence. Jimin, see Oma, he again started fighting. Mr. Min, I don't think we should leave you two alone. You are fighting like dog and cat. Jimmy, eat your ice cream, otherwise it will melt. And Yoongi, let him enjoy his ice cream. Don't stop him. I know after reaching at home, you won't allow him to eat any of these things. So let him enjoy now. Mrs. Min, and yeah, behave like good boys and sit here quietly. I don't wanna listen any word from you two. Is it clear? Yunmin, together. Yes, Uma. Do you think our Jimmy will keep quiet? So, answer is a big no. After that, Jimmy started eating his ice cream while teasing Yoongi. Yoongi was patiently looking at him, but Jimmy didn't stop teasing him. At last, he stopped giving him attention. Jimin, Appa, my ice cream finished. Let's buy another one. Yoongi, without looking at him. Yeah, go and eat ice cream. Our flight is going to take off in some times. I will leave you here, then you will eat lots of ice cream here. Open a snack packet and started eating it. Mr. Min, it still has time. Come, Jimmy, we will come back soon. Jimin immediately sat beside him. No, Appa, my tummy is full. I don't want to eat anything. Mr. Min, Yoongi, see, you scared my poor baby. Yoongi, I just said the truth, Appa, and no one can scare your poor baby. Jimin, see, Appa, he always teases me like this. Mrs. Min, oh, baby, then let's come with us. We will admit you in USA's best university. Jimin, no, I don't know English na. Then how will I study there? Mr. Min, don't worry, baby. Namjoon is also there. He will teach you everything. Jimin, but I don't know anyone in university na. Then how will I survive there? Mrs. Min, you don't need to worry about anything. I will ask Mrs. Kim to admit Cookie in your university. Then you both can study together. Mr. Min, perfect. See, we already planned everything. You will be happy there. Jin will prepare daily tasty dishes for you. No one forces you to eat grass. Jimin looked at Yoongi, but Yoon, Mrs. Min, he can't come. He is very busy. Jimin, oh ma, I also can't come. I have to take care of him na. Yoongi raised his one eyebrow. You will take care of me? Jimin, of course I will. If I will go to you, then who will keep his eyes on him? He will again start living his boring life. If I am not here, then he will forget to cook. I can't take this risk and he will be sad na. Right, Yun? Yoongi, while munching his snacks, who said this? I will be very happy. Take him with yourself. I will be free from headache. Jimin, you mini Yuni, stomped his feet on him. Yoongi, ah! Jimin, you feel pain now? See, Oma Appa, he is feeling pain. I can't come to leave him alone. I have to take care of him now. Patted his head. Don't worry, Yun, I won't leave you. Yoongi, yeah, why not? Jimin, Yun. Yoongi, now what? Jimin, give me your snacks. Yoongi, wait, it's mine. You already had your snacks. Jimin, I'm asking this by your own benefit. Yoongi, my benefit? What benefit will I get after giving you my snacks? Jimin, see, if you will eat more snacks, then you will become fat. Then airport staff don't allow you to go inside the plane. They will send you with luggage. But if you will give your snacks to me, then I will eat it on your behalf. Then you will not become fat. You can come with me in plane. Yoongi, eyes widened. You called me fat. Did you see yourself how chubby you become? Jimin, I'm not chubby. It's my grandparents' love. See, you also put on weight. Yoongi, yeah, but less than you. Grandma and grandpa fed me lots of dishes. That's why. Otherwise, I never gained weight. If you went to your grandparents' house for some days and still haven't put on weight, then trust me, your grandparents won't love you. You will go there as thin but come back become chubby. Grandparents love show to your body, your chubby round cheeks, just like Yunmin. Mrs. Min, Jagya, have our luggage gone? Mr. Min, I already submitted it. Jimin immediately hugged his luggage. Jimmy, you should also submit your luggage. Jimin, no, Appa, they will steal my precious things. Grandma gave me so many food. They all will eat that. Mrs. Min, no, Jimmy, they won't steal anything. They will safely drop your luggage at your destination. Jimin, but if they steal, then how will I get back my food? Yoongi snatched his luggage. I'm going to submit it. Stay here. I don't have any energy left to bear your tantrums. Jimin, hey, I will sue you. Oh ma, see, he took away my precious luggage. Now they will definitely steal my food. Mrs. Kim hugged him. Nothing will gonna happen like this, Jimmy. They will put your luggage with others. Jimin, but if they steal anything, then Mr. Min, then we will buy you new one. Jimin, and what about my food? Mrs. Min, I will tell aunt to prepare another food for you and send them to your house. Jimin, really? It can be possible. Grandma can send me food. Mr. Min, yes, it's possible. Now cheer up, Jimin, but still I have doubt on them. Mrs. Min, don't worry, baby. They won't do anything with your luggage. If anything happen like this, then we will sue them and get refund. Jimin, that's good idea, Ma. Yoongi came back. Your cassette is still stuck there. I knew it. Jimin, you mini Uni, don't talk to me. If anything happened to my food, then I will sue you too. Yoongi pulled him closer to himself. Okay, my angry bird, you can sue me. Flight announcement made. Jimin, what's this? Yoongi, it's Oma and Appa's flight announcement. Now they should go. Jimin, this early? Hugged them tightly. We will miss you too. Come back soon to meet us. We will be waiting for you. Yoongi hugged them too. Oma, Appa, take care of yourself and call us when you reach at your home. Mrs. Min, you will be in flight when we'll reach at our home. You will call us when you reach at your destination. Mr. Min, take care of yourself and Jimmy too. Jimmy, baby, don't fight and listen to Yoongi. Don't go anywhere alone, okay? Jimin, I never fight, Appa. I'm a good boy. He fights with me. Mrs. Min kissed on their forehead. Okay, then we are going. Jimin, safe journey, Oma, Appa. Mr. and Mrs. Min left from there, and Yunmin sent them with happy face and teary eyes. They don't want to send off them, but they have to do it. First time, Yoongi is feeling pain after sending off his parents because now he doesn't hate them, he loves them so much. Yoongi hugged Jimin. It's okay, don't cry. They will come back soon. Now let's go to boarding area. We should also check in, na? Jimin looked at him with teary eyes. But I will miss them, na? Yoongi wiped his tears. Me too. Now let's go. Jimin, where are we going? Yoongi, to meet your relatives. Jimin stopped at his place. My relatives? Things hard. Oh, you mean to say we are going to UK to meet Oma and Appa? Said with shiny sparkly eyes. Yoongi, you will be see by yourself. You will be very happy to meet them. Jimin, no, tell me now. Are we going to meet Oma, Appa or not? Yoongi, I told you now. You will be know when you reach there. Now come. Started dragging poor Jimmy. At the checking counter, they both were standing in queue. Now it's Jimin's turn. He wasn't nervous like he was at his first time. Airport staff, your passport, sir. Jimin gave her his passport. Here, airport staff, what's your name? Jimin immediately stopped and remembered what happened with him in past. Jimin. Yoongi smiled. He remembered, said in mind, airport staff, after checking his tickets and passport, you can go now. Have a safe flight. Jimin took his passport. Thank you. This time Jimin didn't do any mistake and complete all the formalities without any fear and Yoongi's help. He learned everything so quickly. Yoongi was so proud on him to see him this much confident. At the plane cabin, Yunmin was searching their seat and as usual Jimin was so excited and hopping here and there. Jimin shouts, Yoon, here is our seat, come here fast, immediately sat on the window seat. Yoongi, embarrassed, everything can change except his shouting, he can't learn how to talk slowly. Our chimney can never be changed. You can change your status from middle class to rich, but you can't separate a person from his or her middle class habits. Yoongi went to Jimin while saying sorry to everyone who was looking at him and Jimin with weird look. Yoongi, why did you shout? Jimin, to call you? Yoongi, I know that, but you can call me slowly too. But no, you don't know how to talk slowly, right? Jimin, whatever, I helped you and here you are scolding me. Next time I won't help you to find your seat, Mini Unicorn turned his face to the side. Time skipped after some times. It's almost departure time. Plane can land at any time. Only announcement is left. Our Yunmin was sleeping peacefully while hugging each other. When they came here, they were hesitant to touch each other and now see how comfortably they were sitting in plane. If here is Taekook or Namjin, then Yoongi didn't take a single second to call them shameless, but now he is doing the same things in public. This trip changed them a lot. I'm sure if Taekook or Namjin see them like this, then they will definitely get a heart attack. Announcement of landing, the flight done, and Yoongi woke up and tied Jimin with seat belt. Jimin, Yoon, why are you tying me? Yoongi, because we are going to land soon. Now wake up fast. Jimin, but I wanna sleep more. Yoongi, you can sleep in hotel. Now wear your coat. Jimin, I'm not feeling cold. I don't wanna wear it. Yoongi, because you are inside the cabin. Outside is very cold. You will be freeze. Jimin stubbornly, no, I won't. Yoongi forcefully made him wear his long coat. I don't want you to spend your vacation in hotel room while sneezing. Jimin, I'm so strong. Nothing will happen to me. Yoongi, yeah, I know. Time skipped after some times. Plane was already landed and passengers were coming out. Yunmin were last who came outside. As soon as Jimin stepped out of the plane, a cold breeze welcomed him and he shivered. Yoongi, oh my strong boy is shivering, good, held his baby hand and put it inside his coat's pocket and started dragging him. Jimin, where did you bring me? Here is so cold. Yoongi, to meet your relatives, didn't I inform you? Jimin, none of my relatives live at this much cold place. You cheat me. Yoongi, shut up and start walking fast if you don't wanna freeze here. Now guess where are they? Time skipped at hotel. Yunmin stepped out from the car and Jimin became super shocked to see the hotel. Jimin, wow, Yun, we are going to live here. Yoongi, go inside, otherwise you will catch cold. Jimin, and you? Yoongi, I'm coming with her luggage. Jimin, okay, happily entered inside the hotel and now he is more shocked. Jimin, wow, it's so huge. One bellboy saw him and took him to the reception. Receptionist, good evening, sir. How may I help you? Jimin, confused. Evening? But it's night, na? Said in mind. Receptionist, excuse me, sir. Jimin, yeah, both 90 degree. Good night, said with big smile. Receptionist immediately understood that he doesn't know English. Receptionist, with whom do you come here? Jimin, Yun. Receptionist, Yun. Jimin, my husband. Receptionist, oh, okay, so you are here for your honeymoon. Jimin, honeymoon? Remembered Yoongi told him that honeymoon couples explore new places. Yeah, honeymoon, nodded his head vigorously. Receptionist, okay, then you should take our honeymoon suite. We have one of the best honeymoon suite of the city. You will definitely love it. Jimin doesn't understand anything because of language barrier. He only understood honeymoon. Jimin, honeymoon suit? Is there any special dress for honeymoon? I also wanna know how does honeymoon suit look like, said in mind. Receptionist, then sir, are you interested? Jimin nodded his head vigorously. Yes, I want honeymoon suit. Yoongi came there and saw Jimin was talking with the receptionist. He went there. Yoongi, what are you doing here? Jimin, Yoon, you came. Receptionist, good evening, sir. How may I help you? Yoongi, good evening. Jimin pulled his arm. Yoon. Yoongi, Jimin, she is giving me honeymoon suit. I never saw honeymoon suit. I wanna wear it. Yoongi ruffles his hair. She must be talking about honeymoon suite, not honeymoon suit. Jimin, what's honeymoon suite? Yoongi, it's a special room for honeymoon couple, okay? Jimin, I also wanna see honeymoon suite. Let's take it now. Yoongi, shh. I already booked our room. We don't need honeymoon suite. Jimin wins hard, but I wanna see it now, please. Yoongi, I told you na. Now don't disturb me. To receptionist, we already had a booking by Mr. Min's name. Please check it. Receptionist, just give me a minute, sir. Oh, sorry, sir. Actually, there is a problem in your room. Yoongi, what? Now, what will we do? Where do we live? How careless you are. Receptionist, I'm extremely sorry, sir. You can take our honeymoon suite. Yoongi, no, I don't want it. Give us any other room. Receptionist, sorry, sir. Here, no room is available now. All the rooms are already booked. Only honeymoon suite left. Please take it, otherwise it will book too. Please, sir, I insist. Jimin, yes, you'll take it now. He doesn't know what's happening here, but then also he wins because he wanna see honeymoon suite. Yoongi, okay, fine, give me the key. Receptionist, thank you so much, sir. Here is your key. Give him a card. Happy honeymoon, sir. Jimin happily, thank you so much. Yoongi took the card. Shh, I told you na, keep quiet. To be continued. Questions. How's the episode? Where are Yunmin? Are you excited to see Yunmin's undeclared honeymoon? Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. Are you excited to see Yunmin's undeclared honeymoon? The new journey of their life has started. Here lots of things gonna happen which obviously make them more closer to each other. Lots of surprises is on the way. Just wait and watch. It will gonna full roller coaster trip. Something big will gonna happen here, good and bad both. I can't give you all more hint regarding this. I hope you all give this season lots of love and support. This season belongs to Yunmin's romance. I thought to make it a separate season so that you all can enjoy Yunmin's romantic moments. Here you will see Min Jimin. This episode was quite long because it's the first episode. Next episode is gonna super exciting and gives you lots of butterflies too. I will pin the link of season 1 and season 2 in comment section. If you all want next episode soon, then comment down and let me know. I want lots of likes and comments from you all. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.